Hello, so I'm just gonna walk you through the steps for shrinking this here. So the first step is to just click on your picture, copy it, and then go to the next slide and paste it. Okay, so this is for shrinking. We're gonna scale down. You can use anything. You can use a 1/4, you can use a 1/2, but I would say just go with 1/2. Okay, so the second step would be to figure out what is your height of the image. Okay, so the height is just the boxes up and down. So all I'm doing is just counting the number of boxes up and down. Feel free to adjust the picture a little bit so that you are not, I'm gonna zoom in. So that how you hear, that's not a full box. That's like 0.8 of a box. So you kind of want to avoid that. So you can hold the corner and kind of just make sure that it's full. That's how you're gonna be precise. So now we're gonna count the height. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. All right, so my height is 29, and then I'm gonna see what is my width. Okay, so that's the number of boxes left to right. Again, make sure it's not covering half of a box. I can see this is like a little off, but um not really. That's all right. Okay, and you cannot adjust it for width again. You can only adjust it once. So before you start counting, just make sure that the picture is kind of on the line. All right, so let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Obviously, you can skip the video here. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. All right, so my width is 39. Just double check if that looks right. Yeah, it looks like, my picture is not that skinny, so the height and width is not that far off. Okay, my scale factor. So you can use 1/2, 1/3, 1/4, anything. You can shrink it by that. So this, as I can see, well, 39 is at least um a multiple of 3, so maybe I'll just do 1/3. Okay, so to find, and then I have to find the measurements for the copy. So I just do 1/3 of 29. I can do 29 divided by 3. That's a 9.67. That we're gonna ballpark that a little bit when we're stretching. Width is 39 divided by 3. That's 13. Yeah. All right. So then what I want you to do is copy this and paste it. Because this picture is so big, the placement is kind of hard. Sorry. Where did it go? Right? It's going to be hard to play with it. So just Control X or Control. So ignore this step. So click on it, Control C it, but don't paste it yet. Okay, so first shrink this and then we're gonna paste it because otherwise we don't have the space. So what we're gonna do is I need to get to 9.67. So this is what I do. This is the height. So right now I'm at 29. I have to get to 9.67. So you can just hold here. That's how I do it. I'll just count back until I get there. So I'll do, I'll do 28, right? So my eyes are outside the pictures. I'm looking at the boxes and the lines outside. 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20. Okay, that's 20. I got tired, so I'm gonna pause. That's 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. But it's 9.67, so I come back halfway, a little more than halfway. All right. So that's my new height of the copy. That's 9.67. Now I do the same, but the opposite. Okay, so I'm gonna do it for the width. I have 39. I go 38, 37, 36, 30. Or okay, so that's. I feel like that takes too long. So the other thing I can do is just count 13 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13, I can use like a little pen or whatever to mark it, or like a little line, right? So I do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So I'm gonna just make a line here so I know. It's not letting me draw a line. What's going on? I think it was here, but I'll double check it. Okay, so let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. No, one box over. Okay, so that's another thing you can do. There's two strategies of doing it. And then you want to paste this as well, so that we can see the scaled version and we can see the copied version also. I mean, the original and the scaled. Okay, so this is the original. This is the scaled. Original. Scaled. Okay, so this is a third smaller than the original. All right, that's all. And if you want to enlarge it, you would do the opposite, where you just paste the picture and just start by shrinking it. And then just shrink it randomly by holding the corner, and then use a factor of 2 or 3 and then stretch it. Okay, so that's it.